Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Gift, which like you already know, and I just want to say a very big thank you for stopping by to my YouTube channel today. Happy new month to you all. Yeah, we are in the month of April, and I pray this month is going to be a wonderful one for all of us. So today we'll be going to makeup proper, and I want to experiment with something new. So we're going to be trying eyeshadow on the eyebrows. So I'm not going to be using the brow powder, I'm not going to be using the eye pencil today. So we're just going to use the eyeshadow, and the eyeshadow we're going to be using today is not going to be the one with shine, it's not going to be the shimmer eyeshadow, but the matte eyeshadow. So let's see how it plays out, guys. So this is the dark brown color I'll be using, and this is the black. I'll be using a little portion of it. So I have two foundations here. We are going to be trying the two foundations to see which one is more suitable for my skin. So this is Vessi Goldsmith foundation, and this is Zikel Even Truth Pro foundation. I think the Vessi is actually thicker, and it has a more kind of lighter shade than this one. Zikel is actually lighter, and it's not as thick as. But let's try this other one. I've been using Zikel for a very long time, so let's try this Vessi Goldsmith and see how it goes. So one very beautiful thing about this Vessi Goldsmith is that it actually has a full kind of coverage. It's really a full coverage kind of foundation. So with this kind of foundation, I don't think you have any need for concealer, to be honest, because it conceals like everything. See how my face is smooth? You can't even see the freckles on my face anymore. Can you see that? My face is so smooth. This is the fastest makeup, so I'm not going to be contouring my face, but we are just going to do a little of that. So I'm going to go over this shade. I'm smiling so that the cheekbone will be pronounced. Next, we are going to be going to the bronzer. The bronzer will help the cheekbone to show. So guys, we have come to the end of today's tutorial, and I just want to say a very big thank you for sticking around to the very end. And please, if you haven't subscribed, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share, comment, and I will see you in my subsequent video. For now, bye.